want to show some of the irregularities with these steps. See those bricks, how they're overhung off that concrete slab? You come down here, you see a lot of failing of the bricks. I stand on this right here. See, this whole thing is moving. See it? The whole thing is moving. I come down here, this broken brick, but they're all basically loose. You see, we got a lot of moss growing between the bricks. I come over here, almost any one of these bricks on the edge are loose, and I don't really want to probably build on top of these. Look at this. This whole stack of bricks is loose. This is loose. The corners are loose. Probably not even really safe to walk on, technically. Look at this. This whole thing is loose. But look down here on the edge. See, they've actually built on top of other bricks. It's not a concrete slab all the way over. It's just kind of mortared onto other bricks. It's not very strong. Look at that. See, it's just mortar under some. They're not on a slab. They're actually on top of mortar. I don't even know what's going to be a lot of snow here. Come over here. A lot of these bricks have delaminated. They're spalling. Come over here, this whole front edge is, look at this, it's all moving. So all in all, I'd say a existing substrate is failing and weak and not worth building on top of. That's just my observation. Everything is loose. Look at it all. See it all moving? There's very little pressure, really. So that's the tail of the steps. I'd like to just tear them out and put in good solid concrete underneath them, the new ones.